Hey everyone, welcome to Technically You, where we decode the digital world one bite at a time. Today, we're flying high and then crashing down into the world of drone jacking. Yeah, you heard that right. Hacking drones.
Oh, wow, this one gives me dystopia vibes, except it's happening right now in real life. Imagine losing control of your drone mid-air and someone else is piloting it without your permission.
I attended a corporate sports event this weekend in Treasure Island this weekend, and we used a drone to record our team events.
And you probably didn't consider that your drone could have been jacked.
No, not at all. Well, all right, let's start simple and explain what drone jacking is. Well, drone jacking is when a hacker takes unauthorized control of someone else's drone. It could be your Amazon delivery drone, a police surveillance drone, or even your personal hobby drone.
Exactly, it's like carjacking, but for drones. Except it's way easier in some cases because drones rely heavily on wireless communication, Wi-Fi, radio frequencies, GPS signals, and not all of them are well protected.
And the scary part, once a hacker gains control, they can reroute it, steal it, crash it, even turn it into a spying device.
So how do these bad guys pull this off? There are a few main methods.
First up, signal interception. Drones constantly send and receive data with their controllers. If that communication isn't encrypted, a hacker can basically listen in or hijack the session.
Yeah, and then there's spoofing, my personal favorite because it's so sneaky. Hackers send fake GPS signals to the drone, tricking it into thinking it's in a different location. It's like leading a lost puppy down the wrong street.
Or drones they don't even know. And in more sophisticated cases, attackers inject malware into the drone's firmware or exploit vulnerabilities in the mobile apps that control them.
So yeah, it's not just some kid with a laptop anymore. It's organized, sophisticated, and real.
Now let's talk about why this matters. Drone jacking isn't just about losing a toy, it's about serious consequences.
Absolutely. Here's a few examples. Theft. Delivery drones could be carrying expensive electronics or medical supplies. Espionage. Hijack drones can spy on companies, governments, or individuals. Weaponization. In worst-case scenarios, drones could be used in criminal or even terrorist activities.
Remember that story where criminals used a drone to scout a jewelry store before a robbery? Imagine if they could hijack surveillance drones too. The possibilities are endless and not in a good way.
And with industries relying more and more on drones, agriculture, construction, shipping, all the threat surface is just getting bigger.
Drones and like, all right, let's not just scare everyone. How do we protect against this?
Good question. Here are some key strategies. Use encryption. Drones and their controllers should use strong, modern encryption for all communications. Firmware updates. Always keep drone firmware updated. Manufacturers often patch security flaws. GPS authentication. Some drones support GPS signal authentication to prevent spoofing. Secure apps. Only use official trusted apps to control drones. No shady third-party stuff. And geofencing, some drones let you set safe zones. If they leave the zone, alarm bells go off.
And if you're running a critical facility like an airport or a hospital, you can invest in anti-drone technology, things like radar jammers, drone detection systems, and electromagnetic pulse tools.
Which, side note, sounds absolutely epic. Like setting up a real-life Star Wars defense grid.
Boo, take that, hacker drones.
So who's getting hit the hardest right now?
Big targets include logistics companies like Amazon, UPS, FedEx using drones for deliveries, agriculture, farmers using drones to monitor crops, and law enforcement and military. Surveillance and tactical drones are prime targets.
And attackers deliver these hacks through methods like rogue access points, fake Wi-Fi networks pretending to be legit drone controllers, or even phishing scams targeting the operators themselves.
The bottom line, drone jacking is growing because drones are becoming essential to our lives and economy.
But it's not all doom and gloom. New standards are emerging. Stronger encryption, AI-based anti-drone systems, even quantum encryption one day.
And as users, staying informed, updating devices, and being cautious can make a world of difference.
Exactly. In the world of drones, don't fly blind.
Well, listeners, thanks for soaring with us today on Technically You. If you enjoyed this episode, give us a like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech adventurers.
And as always, stay safe, stay curious, and keep those drones locked down tight. Catch you next time.